Hey guys, so I'm out here today with my eggplants and I've got them nice and large before I planted them, so they're doing really well. Except now that I found what I believe from my search are flea beetles eating the eggplant. Here, I'll give you a close-up. Get the focus here. Okay, there we go. So I am going to try this spray. I put diatomaceous earth food grade on them the other day before it rained, which I knew it was going to rain, but they were covered. So I put that on it. There's a lot less on today, but I'm going to try this insect killing soap with seaweed extract. So I am going to spray it. See if we can save these. I didn't get any eggplant last year because something kept chewing them down. I think a rabbit got in here or something. I'm not sure if it was the rabbit or what, but something got in here and I don't remember what had happened. Let's see, I'm gonna try to get the backs too. So we'll see how this does. We're supposed to get rain like all week and next week too. So I'm gonna have to come out here and probably spray them a few times. But I can see the diatomaceous earth actually must have helped some. And I did sprinkle it on the ground too. I don't know if they come out of the ground, but I was just trying to cover all the bases. I think I'm gonna take this bad one off down here. Okay, there we go. So we'll see how this goes. There's one crawling right there. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Well, he flew off. There's one down in the center there. There's still some on it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I might go get the diatomaceous earth also. There's definitely a lot less today. I don't know if the rain has anything to do with it. I haven't really got the research yet. I just wanted to see what they were so I could try to eradicate them. So that's where we're at with that. I also read that beans, garlic, which I can't plant right now. I would have to plant that in the fall and know where I'm going to put these. Oh, there's another one. I don't know if this is going to work or not. They're still crawling all over it. Like I said, I'm going to go get some diatomaceous earth too. Basil, garlic, probably chives I would suspect too. Nasturtium, which I'm going to plant some nasturtium in between some. And beans. I have some green beans. I'm going to do jade bean, Odeon bean, and I'm going to do some basil. Oh, I got the seeds here. And borage. These are all supposed to help. I can't remember, like one's a trap crop or something. I don't remember. So I'm going to put a whole bunch around here and see what we can do. Okay guys, I hope you can hear me. I got a microphone. I don't know if it's working. We'll find out. So I'm going to start by planting some beans. I went ahead and made up some tags already. So I am doing the jade bush bean first. We're going to do, I think, 3 of these. That's what I have tags for. And these are the M.I. Gardner Jade Bean Bush. So let me get my shovel. Okay, let's see here. Trying to get some of the soil mixed up. Drop one right here. Put my little tag. Because I do plant things and don't remember what I do. So I definitely need my tag. There's another one there. And we'll put one right here. Okay. Then I'm going to put some nasturtium right here. I'm going to put some on both sides. It is medicinal. They're edible. They're great in salads. They're a little different, but I like them. So we got the jumbo pack of nasturtium from So Right Seeds. Put one here. Well, there's two, so let's put two there. I'll probably put some more down there. The ground's very wet. We had a downpour last night, so plenty of watering. I'm gonna put some basil over. I can't remember if I put some over here already. I'm just gonna put a few basil here. I know I went around dumping some places just to get a bunch. Can't have too much basil. Let's see. I think I'm gonna just kind of dump it like this. Okay. This is from My Gardener. It's the Italian large leaf. And that's really, these are really small, so I didn't cover them too deeply. Let's see. I think I'm gonna do a few more over here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to do some borage right over here. I think I want some down there too. Let's see. And these also are edible and medicinal. This is borage from My Gardener. These aren't as small, so I think I'll do like 4. They should all help with any bugs on the peppers. So far, there's nothing on these peppers. I only had one pepper that got eaten up, and I think that was because it was right next to the a lettuce. The lettuce that I didn't realize it was lettuce, and it got too hot and it bolted. Okay, let me put this here. Borage. We want some. Okay, let's put the Odeon bean because we got a couple of these. This is from Baker Creek. Might need a couple more tags for these. Miscounted. So there's one there. Put that there. Put one right. Want one on the end here. No, I'll put nasturtium there. Put the bean here. Oh, I might be okay. Yeah, I got enough. No, I need one more. I got 2. We're going to put one over here. I can't remember which one was supposed to be a trap crop. I read about it, so I knew what to do. Because I tried to use no major chemicals. Well, so far, I only see one bug. There's 2. There's another one. They might still be on it. There's a lot less, though. Okay, so we have the Odeon bean. I think I don't need another tag. I'll just remember that one's in there. Let's put some more nasturtium down here. And if this works, then I'll know to make sure I get these started along with, oops, that's the wrong one. I grabbed the bean. I'll know to get all these started along when I start these so they're all mature enough to help protect them. Now I'll probably have to try to decide where I'm going to plant my eggplant next time and make sure I plant them on with some garlic. I'll plant some garlic where I know I'm going to put them. So I'm going to put a few in here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4 nasturtium. These are bigger, so we'll bury those a little more. There. And let's put these other 2 down here. One there. And one here. Okay, get my little tag. Oh, I forgot where I put it. There and there. Okay. We got basil there. Let's do some more basil over there. I dry basil, I freeze dry basil, and I make little cubes with the basil and butter and basil and olive oil. And then I just have my little bag and I just pull them out and throw them in my food when I'm cooking. That's going to be a ton. That's okay. Where'd my little tag go? Here we go. I think that's all for now for that. That should be good. I don't know how long it's going to take for them to come up. Do I have enough borage? Let's see, there's a borage. I think I might do one more borage too. I'll do some over here. There's some room here for borage. Right next to this, which I can never remember what it's called. Okay. Borage, borage, borage. Okay. Cover it up. There's that. Alrighty. Now let's hope all this works. And I have some diatomaceous earth I'm going to throw on these as well because there's quite a few. There's not quite a few. There's 2 or 3 or 4 on these. So I'm going to try to see if this helps. Oh no, they're here cutting my grass. Okay. So we'll come back when they're done.